Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday, April the 14th. We have run a regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper there are also several additional bonus extra Sudokus, but we will first solve the regular Sudoku. So let's get started. Alright, I see here an 8 in this row, and 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Then let me see. I cannot continue with 8. Let's see to another digit. Digit 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So in the second column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here also 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here and there. But I see here a 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in this column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here, here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, so no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. Then now I can continue with 8 because I see in this big square an 8. So in these 2 boxes I cannot place an 8. So the 8 should be here or there in this big square. So we have an 8 in this column, an 8 in one of these 2 boxes in the last column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for an 8 should be here, here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8, no 8 in that box. Then we have an 8 here, so no 8 in this box also. Here an 8, no 8 in this box. Here an 8, no 8 in that box. 1 box remain for the 8. Should be this one. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers are 2, 3, 6 and a 7. I see here the 6 and the 7. So no 6 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. So we have a pair, the 6 and the 7 in these 2 boxes as a pair. The other 2 boxes are reserved for the 2 and the 3. And I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then a 9 in this row, a 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 9 should be here and there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so in the third column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then A9 in the last column, A9 in that column, so in the column between, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Let me see these two numbers in this column. For the numbers 2 and 5, no, we have a 5, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, this column, we have a 2 there, so no 2 here, 2 should be here, 3 goes there, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 6 should be here. Then 6, 2, 3 and 5. 3, 6, 7. Need a 7. Need a 7. I need a 7. Six, 7, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, in this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 there. I see there 6, so no 6 in these two boxes. 1 box remains for the 6 should be here. 1 box left for this big square for the number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the row above, the only place for the 7 should be here. 1 box remains for the first row for the number 4. No, 4 we have 5. 5 is missing. Then yes, 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 1 box remains for this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 3, 6, 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the third row for the numbers 3, 6, and 9. 3, 6, and 9. I see here a 6 and a 9, so no 6 and a 9 in this box. The 6 and the 9 should be in those two boxes as a pair. We have a 1 box left for the number 3. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this middle column For the numbers 3 and 5, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 3 and 2, we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 7 and 2. 7 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes here. 2 numbers left in the last row. For the numbers 6 and 7, we have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. Then we have here 2 numbers. For the numbers 2 and 4. No, 2 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 2 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. Then 1 number left in this big square. For the number 3. 1 number left in this row. For the number 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8, we have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second column. For the numbers 5 and 2, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 4 and 8, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 8 goes there. And the final number here in this big square for the number 5. We have finished this in 13 minutes. Alright, for a Sudoku Medium. So, if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. Hit that bell if you want to notify by YouTube if there are new Sudokus are uploaded. Thank you for watching, and I will see you the next time, so keep on puzzling. Bye bye.